for.
Welcome everyone. All right, let's start out the session. What is happening? We have some news. Actually, we have the CPI that is going to shake the market for sure. So hope everybody had a nice morning or evening or good sleep. And what do we have here? Well, actually nothing. Nothing is going to happen until the open, that's for sure. This is the 5-minute Nasdaq. If I go to the 1 hour, pretty much consolidation. I can still imagine that we're breaking higher. What are the numbers? Core CPI expecting lower number. That could be positive. The price of goods could go up. 504 year on year. Okay, so expecting positive news, the market that is. So if the news come out positive, then this could be a good run. All right. So as we approach the open, what do we have? Oh no, hey there, Erkan, hello again, welcome. I'm going to be, I think I'm gonna YOLO 2 accounts for the news from Apex. I'm just thinking about it. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. We're gonna be using a code from good old Methodical Man, because I'm just buying some new accounts. I bought new ones during the morning. All right. We have it. Marco, hey, yeah, we're gonna YOLO. We're definitely going to YOLO. That's the deal. That is the deal. Let's see, I have to disconnect. And I have to reconnect again. I'm not even sure if this is gonna update, but I still have different accounts to go with. All right. I have a feeling that it could be bullish. Market is expecting positive news, so this one can spike higher. But I guess we'll see. All right. New accounts added. One account is still missing. I'm going to try to reconnect again. Fred and hey there, long time no see. You can't log in to your broker. What kind of which prop firm or broker? This is great. Awesome. Did we discuss the 3-1 risk reward rule? No, not really. Not really. I mean, the 3-to-1 risk reward rule is also interesting. It can be negative and positive too. Interactive broker. I don't know. Unfortunately, I don't know. I had an account with them. Now I don't use it nowadays. You should raise a support ticket, Trident. It's good to see you, by the way. Good to see you again. Definitely raise a support ticket. So the 3-to-1 risk to reward rule is quite interesting for sure. All right, we have $16. I'm going to disconnect again. Okay. BULENOX is still on special, and Agon, I can tell you that Apex is on special. You can get an Apex 50k account. It's huge sale right now, Agon. $16 Apex 50k account, and also $16 for the 250k account, Agon. If you want to check it out, use the code or my link. It's not even a joke. Apex went into yeah, they changed the DCA. Yeah. Apex went into the race. So $16.70 for a 250k evaluation account. And the recurring fee on that one is $33. And the 50k account is on the same price, $16.70. And it's lifetime, I think. Let me check it. I think it's lifetime. Yeah. No. Sorry, the recurring month is going to be $33. I'm sorry. It's going to be 33. But still, I think it's a very good deal. So 80% off in the recurring month. Then I have to change on my YouTube because I accidentally wrote it bad. Bad. Let me edit this one. Okay, this is better now. I just updated it. All right. All right. So $16.70. Reset 60% next month bill at regular price. 50%. The reset, I don't know about the. I was just saying that if you the first month is 90% and the recurring month are 80% off. Reset 60% next month bill regular price. Is that on Apex? Because I was just saying BULENOX has it on the option 2 and option 1 accounts are still on discount. So BULENOX gives you a lifetime discount. For example, $18 for a 50k account. BULENOX gives you the first month for $16 and the recurring month for $33. Yes. Okay. Apex, everything clear. Okay. Oh yeah. All right. Sorry. Welcome, guys, and welcome, Genius, and everybody. This is a huge sale, so don't miss it. I just stacked up a few accounts just to make sure. 5 minute till news. Yeah. Let's watch it. I'm gonna YOLO 2 accounts. NQ, MNQ. All right, one account is going to be this, and the other one is going to be number 17. Actually, gotta make sure. Apex NQ. All right. And also Apex NQ. This is going to be this one. It's going to be this one. 16, 17. All right. Both are on NQ. Let's see how much I need. 5 minis should be enough. 5 minis should be enough to push it. How about that? 5 and let's go with 6 just to make sure. Let's go with 5. 5 is still okay. CPI should be melting everything. Do I have any orders? Nothing. $16 and $17. All right. It's gonna be fine. News coming in real soon. On evaluation accounts, you can still do whatever you want on Apex. 1 day pass is still going, so why not, Let's see. Gonna be exciting. Okay. It's shaking. Shaking very much. All right. Market buy, market sell, limit here, limit. Let's see. All right. I think we got one. I think we got one. All right. Has been closed. The other one is still in the trade. Okay, I just passed an eval. All right. All right. And we lost connection. Everything just lost connection, guys. The only connection that I still have is BULENOX. Apex has lost connection. And let's see. Even TOPSTEP. Oh, TOPSTEP is still there. Wow. Okay. All right, we passed an evaluation account, and I'm going to show you guys the account that has been passed. It's right here. This is the account that I passed. 3,275. And the other one, it is actually a little bit down in drawdown. The other one has been blown, but it's fine. The other one is down, but one is passed. Anyway, we have to activate that. Lifetime activation fee is still alright. So one has been passed, which is a good thing. I'm actually happy about that. Which one was it? Okay, it was this. Balance. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so this is the one that has number 716, right? 6, yeah, this is the one that's all right. Okay, that's cool. Pass the account. Let's get to funded, right? Okay. Actually, this was a good deal. This was a good deal. Hey Prasad, how you doing? What's going on? What is going on? I'm doing okay. You're good. You're good. All right. Nothing much. All right. Well, I just managed to pass an eval on this spike on the CPI news. But technically, look at this. Oh, this is not it. How much? 400. Well, yeah. Spiked up 150 points. Could be happening after this one. Well, it was not a big deal. I mean, I just YOLO'd it. YOLO'd it for the news. You can do pretty much anything on the evaluation accounts. Actually, what I want to do is I want to check out if the account is still active. Okay, this is fine. $3,091. This is fine. Just wanted to make sure. Okay, we're closing this, getting back to our scheduled program. All right. Back to normal. How can we trade this, by the way? This is just almost impossible to trade. So that's why it's a good price. If you guys want to YOLO a few accounts, you can real easily get to funded right now with Apex. BULENOX is good too. They're still working. Lifetime discount. BULENOX has the advantage of the lifetime. My funded futures is gonna come up with something special, by the way. Can't wait to know more about it. So
Are we going to have a pullback here? Not even sure. Sorry. Anyway, looking for some entries maybe on the 5-minute as well, but so far I think market is just going to have to wait. I mean, we just have to wait. Nem kapod MQ-t? MQ-val egy mikróval megfogtam az esést? Szuper. Counter, de nem kapom. Nem kapod az NQ-t. Joseph is just asking some help with NQ. So if you go to Quant Tower, this is a Quant Tower, you open up the chart and these are the symbols here. Szóval itt vannak a szimbólumok. És nekem van több connectem is, tehát. So here are the connections I have currently. For example, you're with Apex. You scroll it down, you open the CME, and you scroll down CME, and there's NQ. NQ, and you can choose automatic, so the newest month, or you can go with the M4 because that's the newest. So you can double click on this, and there you have it. And it should be okay. This is just my template here, but that's all. That's everything. If you type in NQ but there's no NQ, maybe you should be reconnecting or restart Quant Tower. It used to happen. Or you can do, I mean, that happens to on my end as well. You just go like this. You go in the name of your prop firm, open the connection, and open CME. And if there is no NQ, then you scroll down here. Or if there is no MNQ, then reconnect. I mean, close Quant Tower completely. That usually helps, and restart. Sometimes it's because of Rhythmic connection. If that's not helping, then open up Rhythmic, close Rhythmic, and then open up Quant Tower. It should be working like that. Search under DX feed account. Okay. Oh, okay. Gotta make sure you search under the prop firm name. No problem. You're welcome. All right. Hey guys, push the like button, please. Push those likes. Subscribe to the channel. I know I said it before, there's going to be a giveaway. Trust me, there's going to be a giveaway. There's going to be a giveaway, but I need to update something on a website and the software.
because there's gonna be some extras in the giveaway. Extra. We read all about it, you know. Param 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 param. Param 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 param. Okay. Can you explain how did you YOLO the news? Yeah, sure. The thing I did, actually, I think I can show you on this account. Oh. Settings. Visual trading, trades. It's not showing up. Oh yeah, because it's micro. All right. So anyway, what I did is I just put a market buy order with 6 contracts or five or 6 minis right here before the news came out. It was like 20 seconds before the news came out, and I also put a sell limit. I mean, sorry, a market sell order on a different account. So I just set the TP, and the one account is actually blown up. The other account went to take profit. That's it. I mean, after the results, or you estimated? Yeah. I mean, it was. I took the trade before the news. No problem. Does Quantaro have candle counter? Candle counter, mármint úgy érted, visszaszámláló, mert van itt egy, ami számolja vissza. Countdown. We have a candle countdown here in the right corner down here. Or there is, if you're looking for this one, there is a ruler which counts the bars. You can count the bars, how many bars. So yeah. Van vonalzó. Yep, okay. Szóval van vonalzó, meg ilyen visszaszámláló is. Minden time. Every time frame has a countdown on the up right corner down there. Corner. Okay, yeah. Okay, what EMAs I use? Let me show you. I use the 21 and the 9, but it is not mandatory always. It just helps me to determine you know, the trend. I like to go with the trend, but 21 and 9 up there, you can see it. Exponential moving average. Exponential moving average. If you think from perspective of fuck it all, just open, sell, and buy 2 different. Yeah. Actually, yeah. I mean, I don't really care about the evaluation accounts. I mean, nowadays, I wasted a lot of time with the evaluation accounts, and I know it takes money, of course. I know, actually, I was in a position sometimes that it was hard for me to manage. I mean, hard for me to pay extra money for YOLOing evaluation accounts. But now I just, partially because of the stream and partially because I consider this as a business, I don't really have time to go with the evaluation accounts. So I'm doing everything as I should and as I have to, properly slow steps on the funded accounts. So just taking small steps. The funded account is a totally different, absolutely different area. But yeah, the 1-day pass on Apex is definitely something that everybody should be taking advantage of. But still, BULENOX is great too. So yeah, I think Quantower is so far the best. Ninja Trader is good too, absolutely. For me to trade with multiple prop firms and different accounts, Quantower is definitely the best I can go with. Charts are good. Everything is, I could say, it takes a little bit time to get used to, but it's actually not that difficult, and it does everything you require. So Quantower has no problem. I am now using the 1-week Quantower subscription, thinking to go for the paid subscription for the trade copier, but the plan seems expensive, and also don't know which one is the right one. Well, yeah, you have to go with the you have to go with the multiple connection. Let me show you pricing. Connections. All paid futures for free with these. About paid futures. Okay, there you go. Only crypto license conversion. I'm trying to find the prices, but the multi-asset. I can't find it. What's the name of that? Contact licenses. Advanced features. Options trading. Add-on licenses. I can't find it now. Good morning, Clarity. Thank you, Teddy. Thank you, Clarity. And applause to everyone who used my code. Thank you, guys. Thank you. If Quantower was not blurry on my external, I would go for it. Especially you can incorrect even different props and copy the trades. Yeah. I'm using 2 screens right now, pretty old ones, but they do the job actually. All right, so crude oil just went down. I was also thinking to go long on crude oil, but still don't know. With 4 micros maybe. No data. Oh. No data. MCL. Why is there no data? Options, no. Comex, MGC. Okay, we have data. That is interesting. Huh. Just a second. Why is there no data? It's not loading in. MCL. It's not loading in. Anyway. Just buy me 10 Apex 50k accounts, man. Again, how should we do that? I single 32-inch 4K monitor, 10 years old, tried everything, asked every contact. Oh man. Well, that sucks, you know. That would be a good bet. Careful now. Count every position 2 times bigger as usual. The volatile market. Yeah. Be careful, everyone. Last question. How to save the configure template? You know, that's what I wanted to do too, because if I go to apply template, I already saved some templates. You can see I have base, which is called Olap in Hungary. Base 1 and 2, I have Heiken, Ashy, scalping template, tick template. And I don't know how I did these. I actually... So I can do settings. And I don't know how I did that. Actually, I know it sounds weird, but I don't know how I saved the template. I did save template, but I don't know how I did that. I have no idea. But I have multiple templates, so I don't know what I did. Is it here? Strategies, order entry, templates, workspaces. Man, I don't know. I was searching for it too the other day, and I just don't know. I have to read about it, I'm sorry. Bocsi, de én is megkavarodtam vele. Egyszerűen nem találtam, valamelyik nap én is el akartam menteni, és nem tudtam. Nem tudtam elmenteni. De, majd megkeresem. 15 con long CPI passing that. Oh, it was easy. 1 passed, none failed. Nice. Wish I did all 3. Congratulations, 100 lot. Purchase to Apex. Guys, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Balsarokban a hamburger menü? Maybe. That's an object manager. No. I don't know what is here. I'm gonna have to search for it. Hey Gabor, thank you so much for the message. I see that you just wrote a new message there. 6,400. I'm just checking your message. Oh man, what are you doing?
What did you do?
What did you do? Oh man, congratulations. No, it's absolutely fine, and thanks for the support for using my code. Thank you. Awesome profits, man. Are you using your supersonic indicator? I still have your indicators here somewhere. Where is it? Here it is. Is it loading? Oh, it's loading. So Gabor is using a specific set of indicators with very specific instructions. So it says, oh fuck, here. It says, holy shizzle. Then it says, dude, sup with that? And the other one says, so what now? And down here it says, warning, major fuckery. The other one says, oh really? And this says, this is my favorite, do it. This is my favorite, do it. Killing it. Congrats, congrats. So Gabor is a computer scientist, partially works for CERN in Switzerland, and you know, making some black holes or whatever. But he also developed this interesting indicator, and I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna pick your brain about it, but it looks interesting. Okay, what is going on here? Where is my entry? By the way, I'm in a long position with micros on crude oil, but I think I'm gonna have to restart my quant hour because it's not putting in the position here. Oh, I know why. Because it's on MCL4. Okay. Hold on. I know why. I know. COMEX. MCL. Here it is. Okay. So this is my position on crude oil right now. Price ticks 28. Actually, I should be completely fine with 78.30. So I'm gonna lower it to 30. There. I'm fine. Based on the 5-minute candles, actually OTE as much as I could with the structure shift. I know it's not Nasdaq, but I just have to figure out something, you know. I'm a simple helicopter pilot / jazz pianist. What? Are you a helicopter pilot? Shut the front door, man. Are you really a helicopter pilot? What the heck? I just know a lot of shit. Dude, shut the front door. That is like, wow. Wow. That is awesome. That is awesome. Let me check something. All right. And you're an instructor? So he's not just a helicopter pilot, guys, Gabor. He's also a helicopter pilot instructor. Dude. He's a captain. Captain. Jesus, holy Christ. He's also engineering gyrocopter. Man, I was very close actually. So I thought that, you know, you could be a rocket scientist, some scientist from the future, or you could be some, you know, someone from space or whatever. But I almost got it. Behemoth Giro. Oh, really? Okay. All right. I'm gonna search for it. Jesus Christ, look at that. Okay, so guys, this is historical moment. This flying thing here is actually, it's made or register. Did you make this? Did you make this one? Is that you? Is that you right there? Dude, if that's you, then you're brave. Wow. That's Gabor, maybe. I don't know. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so he engineered it. Is that you? That's you? Dude. Hats off. Actually, we have a celebrity here. Look at the guy. He's driving this. This is just, he built it, everything he made by himself. This is like, wow. I would be actually scared a little bit to fly something like this, but actually I know you know how it works, but look at everything on this one. Wow. This is like, wow. Congratulations. I'm gonna check on it later. All right. Nice one. Good job there. Ah, that's actually, that's amazing. Safest aircraft. All right. I'm actually amazed. I really am. It's in constant auto rotation. So my only concern, I'm just a totally naive person about everything, you know, about this. What if the engine stops? You know, how do you land this thing? For example, you're just flying like and then, you know, it happened before, you know, in the history of mankind. For some way, the engine stops. I mean, that's not good, right? I mean, I don't know. It can't stall like an airplane. But can you land it somehow? Is there some way? Yeah, it can't stall. Yeah, it can't stall. That's causing anyway. That is interesting. I like that. No way, you land without engine. But something has to rotate, you know, the propellers, right? I mean, oh, so auto rotation. Okay. All right. All right. All right. You convinced me. You convinced me absolutely. I am 100% convinced. I really am. That's what I wanted to hear. If there's some kind of a mechanical safety or whatever that helps to keep this thing, you know, just not like go down like this, but you have to have a chance to land it without engine. That is awesome. A forgó. Ja, értem, tökéletes. Hát szuper. Hát ez lenyűgöző, komolyan. Ez fantasztikus. This is fantastic. I like that. I don't even know. I that's just great. I'm still sitting in this trade on crude oil in the hope that this one can go higher. I'm also looking at gold. So far, nothing on gold. That is awesome. That is awesome. Anyone passed 200? Yes, somebody passed it. Who was it? It was 100 lot. 100 lot passed 250k account, and I passed 50k accounts. So guys, this is the time to pass a few accounts. Up 5k, gonna finish today. How are you doing it, man? Gabor, I've definitely I know you're on Discord. I'm gonna hit you up. I'm just having a little bit busy days nowadays. After stream, I have to manage some other stuff too. But we definitely have to talk because I'm curious how you do your entries. You know, the progress that you did. I know you said it was a technical mistake that you lost the other account, but hey, still, I don't know how you do it. I want to pick your ideas. I'm collecting information all the time. You know, I'm constantly learning and collecting info. You're a fucking machine. All right. So shit happens, yeah. Make sure, me too, but I'm scared of heights. Just make sure, guys, that, you know, I know everybody loves Apex. I like them too. And I'm happy that I got more funded accounts with them today. But, you know, they are also keep changing the rules. We were talking about this in the London session quite a lot. And just be aware that, you know, Apex now requires stop loss on the funded account. So you have to put a stop loss, and you cannot do DCA trading. Okay, so that's very crucial. Those are new things. Updated the rules a few days ago. So basically, just don't gamble on the funded account. So it's nothing unusual, nothing that you won't see on other prop firms too as time goes by. Trust me, mark my words. Other prop firms are going to say the same. My Funded Future is already saying. TOPSTEP is going to say it, and actually they do already. It's going to be in the rules. So if you're not trading like a gambler, then It's all right. Utána benne mennyire így van. Streamlabs, what is your Discord code? We have a Discord for $10 per month, but actually I already did a free Discord, but it's basically nothing there. I have to upload some content, but I'm gonna share it. I'm working on a new blog. My blog is updating and some background work in the progress. The Discord invite is gonna be up there. Chasing after it stream. Chasing after it. Okay. Yeah. Streamlabs is definitely has a code on its own. Your Discord. No, absolutely. No, nothing. No, it was not you. I have a separate Discord. This is so you're on the Discord where the subscribers are. I mean, you know, where I have the subscribers. I have another one which is going to be for free. I still haven't decided because I do want to update. I have something new coming onto Discord. And I have a programmer in the background who's already helping me out building up all this because I want to do this properly. And we're going to work on the Discord a lot more. Hopefully, I'm not promising anything, but more content, and there's going to be something special, something extra, but it's going to take some time. Whoa! Lynn, hey there. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome on the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the team. All right. I think my position just blown on crude oil. Gold is going lower, which can mean that, well, NQ is holding. Yeah, crude oil is going down. That's quite interesting. Yeah, this was my crude oil position. Unfortunately, I thought that we were gonna visit those highs again, but if it goes down, where can it go? Which are those targets that we're looking for on crude? Down to 76.91 maybe? Oh, could be. Maybe down on the daily. Could be bearish. Don't know. But looks like it's going down. Also, gold started to dip. I like the targets down there. We have to wait for this candle to close, and it's gonna be a market open candle, so we're just gonna wait anyway. So let's go back and wait. Lean, hey there, welcome, and welcome on the chat. Welcome to the channel. Good to see you here. Hey Maverick! Long time no see. What's happening? What is happening, Maverick? Good to see you. How's trading? All right. Let me check something. I gave up on prop firm trading, been swing trading options. Nice. That's good to hear. I mean, whatever, you know, floats the boat, right? I hope you do good with options, actually. I really hope so. I hope you do good with it. That's good. Actually, that's actually great. I'm better at swing trading, man. More time to think. I don't get emotional and blow it up. Well, that actually means a lot. I mean, you know, more time to analyze. If you can spend more, I mean, yeah, less emotions in a way. I get it. And if you can hold your positions, that's all you need. That is all you need. Look at gold. It's still going down. What is the difference between an ask buy and the bid buy? Well, how should I put it simple? I'm gonna be quick, and I'm gonna explain it in real quick Hungarian. Szóval a bid és az ask, a bid az azt hiszem, tehát a pillanatnyi árszint feletti lévő legközelebbi áron fog. Tehát ha a biddel mégy bele, akkor fölfelé a legközelebbi kontraktussal fogsz bemenni, ha pedig az ask-kel, akkor pedig megtalálja, tehát várni fog a legközelebbi kontraktusra, ami a pillanatnyi ár alatt van. Ha a markettel mégy bele, akkor a kettő közül a leggyorsabbat fogja választani, amelyiket kell. Én mindig marketet használok, mert hogyha esetleg emelkedik az árfolyam és ask-et nyomsz, akkor húzni, akkor még várni fog addig, amíg a legközelebbi ask price-ra vissza nem esik gyakorlatilag, és be nem tesz téged a pozícióba. A markettel nem fog várni semennyit se, amelyik kontraktus közelebb van, tehát nyilván ezek nem, tehát van egy, igen, ennyi, tehát egymástól vannak egy picikére. Így van, sell market, buy market, igen. Az ask-kel csak annyit érsz el, hogyha egy picit visszatrészel a legközelebbi árra, akkor egy picit fogsz a marginon. Ennyi. Gyakorlatilag. Így van. Exactly Balázs. Sorry. A little bit of a Hungarian literature lesson for you guys. Alright? Just use market. The days of prop trading is coming to an end. It's good for trading but not earning. What do you think? I respectfully disagree. I think actually the prop firm space is changing quite a lot, especially because of forex prop firms. If you look at the future prop firm space, it could be changing as well. But prop firms are here to stay. And why do I say this? because I think the industry, not just this year, in the past 4 or 5 years, proven that there is a huge demand for prop firms. I mean, before that we had forex brokers, right? Back in the days, years ago, we had just forex brokers available for any retail trader from the mobile, from their comfort of their home. But I think the market proved itself that prop firms are needed. But I think, and this is something I definitely believe, that prop firms are going to be and should be regulated. Prop firms are going to be and should be regulated. The things that you saw last year and with the Dungeons and Dragons prop firm and other prop firms, mostly in the forex space, that is not going to happen in the future. I mean, not the futures, but in the future. So prop firms are here to stay, but there's definitely going to be some considerable turmoil, and there's going to be some change. There's going to be some change in the space, but they're not going to go away. This is such a huge market, guys. It's like you were saying that casinos are not going to exist anymore. I know it's a different industry, but prop firms are not going to go away. They're going to stay. They're definitely going to stay. But changes are needed still. Still there are changes that are needed. And regulations. I welcome the regulations, actually. I definitely welcome the regulations. I would rather trade with a regulated prop firm than go to the Wild West with Dungeons and Dragons or whatever, you know. With an unregulated offshore. I mean, I'm not saying I'm not going to trade with an unregulated offshore forex prop firm ever, because I might will. But, you know. Anyway. Let's see the market open. How's it going to go? And I really hope that these top prop firms that we like and trade with are going to stay. I really hope so. I really hope so. Because I love prop firms. I think prop firms are one of the greatest vehicles of our time to make profits. Okay, gold is actually in this gap right here. Quite interesting, to be honest. All right. Just the gold. Oh, I still have this. All right. Let me delete that. This was a stop loss on this was a stop loss that I had on crude oil. Anyway, let me get back to here. Market is about to open in 20 seconds. There is GC as well. You just have to search for it. It's there. You can find it, but if not, you have to restart. It happens with Quant Hour, actually. All right. Market is opening right now. All right, let's see. Where is it want to go? All right, NQ is actually, I mean, I can see it go down to 412. There's a considerable fair value gap down there. So, I can imagine this one go down there. There. Nothing is moving. It's still at the same point. Do we have anything else besides, I mean, after the open? Nothing, right? We had business innovation. Okay, nothing major news after this. That is why it's a little bit interesting. About a challenge as you today, Apex. Short report consequence news made 40 points. Hey, congratulations, gratulálok, super. Örülök. Congratulations, Balázs. Haven't seen you in a while. Greg, I haven't seen you in a while. The construction is still going on. All right, I'm gonna give you guys some update. Don't worry, it's gonna be in the next vlog. So, okay, look at this. Something's happening here. NQ wants to go higher, maybe. Might be want to pop higher. Look at this move. It seems bullish enough for me. What's happening on the 5-minute? Crude oil going down. Gold is there. The 5-minute Nasdaq not showing anything special. Gold, nothing special on gold. Now it just wants to go higher again. Let's wait for NQ. Does it want to make a new high? Seems like it might want to. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, it might be turning around. It might be turning around. So far it's just stuck. So on the 30-second, and it seems like we're stuck on this one, but it still feels bullish. All right. It's the waiting game. So after market open, we're basically just hovering in 10 points range. Crude oil going down. Gold is still at the same area. Not much is happening. Guess this is pretty much it for now. Might have to wait a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Come on, 8100. Got to 10k before it breaks. I don't know what you're doing there, Gabor. Gabor, I'm speaking with English pronunciation, although I could say like regularly Gabor, but it's about the habits, you know. So I don't know what you're doing there, but keep it up. Keep it up. Be careful though on the funded accounts. Careful about the consistency rule. All right. Nasdaq might be turning down again. Gold spiking a little bit higher. Nasdaq going lower. Yes, almost made a new high, but Nasdaq is I mean, there's one thing here on the 5-minute on Nasdaq, and it's also visible. I mean, it's on the micro at 410. There is a liquidity void. I don't know if that means anything, but it's definitely interesting. Care much about it. I constantly make. Oh, okay then. Sorry. This is okay. Never mind. Didn't say anything there. Didn't say anything there. We all love Apex, right? So get the sales, grab your accounts. $16 for 250k account. Oh, you sent me a message. Let me check it. Let me check it. Come on, man. 8100. You are killing it. You are killing it. That's actually awesome. That is actually awesome. Are you using your special indicators? What did they say? Let me check it. There's nothing here. Alright, gold is here. Crude oil spiking lower. Actually, nothing special here. NQ is still at one place. This is in two accounts, yeah. Alright, seems like NQ might want to go higher. No, it doesn't. And there's no structure shift, so I'm waiting. I will let you guys know if I enter any other trade. Are you still trading the EMA strategy? Oh yeah, I'm still basically yes. So basic ICT concept U2 2022 entry, and I'm using the EMAs. Let me show you. So here they are. I'm using the EMAs. I'm still with the basic strategy. The only thing I might be willing to change is the time frame. I'm a little bit frustrated nowadays about the time frame and everything, so I don't know. I'm gonna talk about it later in a video about strategy and everything, but I might be switching. I'm not switching permanently, but might be looking at the 5 minute too, but otherwise everything is the same. Look at Nasdaq, still in the same range. So push the like button and subscribe, everyone. And let's push it. What is happening here? Okay, we see a little bit of a dip here. Facts all, hey, the discount, is that for every month or just for the first month? $16, and from the second month it's 80% down. So for example, on the 50k account, the discount is $33. It's still very good. That's why I'm not going to cancel the subscription. So yes, the first month is 16. From the second month it's 33. But if you want to go with BULENOX, it's lifetime. So for example, a 50k account at BULENOX is $18. Even the end of day option 2 accounts. So both option 1 and option 2 accounts are end of day trading, that is, are $18 and lifetime. So recurring months are $18 too. But Apex still makes a very good offer here. I think it's one of the best that they did so far. Gold is making some lows here. All right, that's all I can do with gold. What is that we're doing right now here? By this, it seems like 73. Actually, it should be going lower, but since I lost today a few trades, I'm gonna be taking profit there if I can. As for crude oil, it's just dropping. Not much is happening. 9k, come on. That's good for BULENOX. I have Rhythmic with Apex, so I can get more Rhythmic accounts. Yeah, exactly. You can get more Rhythmic with BULENOX for the 50k if you prefer, or you can use anybody's code. But my code is Tom50 for the 50k, or TomSabo1, one of those. TomSabo1 or Tom50. I don't know, depending on which type of account you want to use, but should be working. Or 100k, whatever. But it's a good sale. And BULENOX, actually, it's great that they're doing the discount for the recurring month. That's actually great. I do like it. TOPSTEP X is still on sale until Monday for $19. If you click on the link, you can register with the code TOPSTEPX. So there you go. Okay, this one reached TP. This one reached TP, which is better than nothing. Why did this only go for like, I think it should have gone for a little bit higher profits, I think. But anyway. And we're still not at the silver bullet hour. Look at that, the gold trade actually worked out. What did I miss here? I think my stop loss was a little bit, or the position. I don't know. Yeah, I think it was the position. Gotta be aggressive sometimes. Hey, just a reminder, BULENOX has a rule that you cannot stay more than 1 week without any trade after funded. Yeah, I know. Exactly. So that's why I always flip my accounts every week. So I do have to flip every week my BULENOX accounts. That is actually true. So yes, that is actually true. Gotta be aware of that. TOPSTEP is 1 month. I believe Apex is the same. Yeah. Well, I always remind myself to keep flipping these accounts every now and then. So yeah, but that's actually it's a good thing that we spoke about it. Okay, what is going on? I mean, it's not difficult to take vacations, you know. If you take a laptop or you can access your home computer, you know, just flip one micro and you should be fine. Just flip it once in a week and it should be okay. Should be okay. Should be just fine. All right, now what I see is if this 5-minute candle closes, we could be seeing some retracement because this is a market structure shift on the 5-minute. Look at gold, crazy. Crude oil is dumping as well. Interesting, to say the least. Let's see if it goes or not. Is it gonna stay like this? Or is it gonna go up? It can go up. I think it can shift structure to the upside. Let me check the 5-minute too. Yeah, look at that. Five-minute closed. Let's see if we're gonna have a proper entry. optimal entry. 486 maybe. 487. Maybe. Maybe. With 1 micro. Could be the case. If we wait for just discovered on TradingView, if you can add text. Oh, I didn't know that. Thanks for sharing. That's good. Okay. Optimal entry at 488 on the 5 minute. All right, it's going higher. Going into the fair value gap on the 5 minute, I think so. Crude is not doing anything special. I'm gonna wait. On the 5 minute. For something. Okay, now it's repricing the 5 minute. Let's see what it does. Didn't go up to optimal trade entry. You're selling at 483. Nice. Good entry. Past eval. Congratulations. Nice job. Congratulations. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. At least you have a very good safety cushion on that bigger account. That's actually awesome. I'm thinking to maybe put in a limit order. Not sure. On the at 87. The stop loss should be at 529. Let me see. Okay. So we reached the limit order entry. This is OTE level around here. So we have a question. Is this going to be okay like this? Because it's still edging higher. I might even put 2 micros sell here with the stop up there. Hold on, I'm just gonna sell 1, modify it to this optimal trade entry, and the take profit should be down at 412. Right down there. All right. Let's see if this one goes. Or is it going to spike higher? I'm a machine. Thanks for that. Hey, don't thank me, George. I'm actually I'm actually the one who's thanking you if you use my code. Thank you. I'm the one who should be thanking. These small little dollars, you know, come together and pays me as a technically a full-time job to be here every day. So thank you guys for the support. Of course, the goal is to make those payouts by any means, and I'm hoping to get it real soon. Okay, let's see if this one is going to go down or still going to spike higher. I feel like it could go higher. It was a very strong push, so I wouldn't be surprised if they would push it higher, but where to? They have to go above, well, definitely above 31, I guess. But it seems like they want to push it. And if they're pushing it above, let's see, above the 20s, then these shorts are going to be in danger. Thank you, George. Thank you. Thank you. I'm just watching closely the charts. If this one is going to push higher, and if it will, then how high? Is it going to break the old this one, or maybe stopping at 33? Is it able to push it to the 20s, or you know, I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Seems like it's having a hard time. I know. The next level would be the 20s, but maybe it's too much for it. We're in the silver bullet hour, so not sure. Not sure what to expect. No, this just can't go through right now. It's trying. For me, it's a good thing, actually. Seems like they're having trouble at 20. Or it's having trouble at 20. Uh-oh. It's going against my stop. Not good. Not good. Definitely not good. Thank God it's just an evaluation account. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Just bought 550k. DM. DM, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. It really means a lot to me. Thank you. You guys really help me to keep on rolling every month. I'm trying to figure out where this one can go. I don't know. I'm a little bit confused. We had this nice short, but ultimately Nasdaq doesn't really want to go lower. I thought that we're gonna revisit that level down there. Look at this liquidity void down here. I mean, that area right there would be a pretty nice target, but it just doesn't want to go. In fact, it seems like it wants to push higher. We're stuck here for now. Actually, I'm stuck in the 5-minute for now. In this short. On this evaluation account. I'm not saying it was a perfect short, but if it goes higher, then I would definitely say that, well, I don't know where would be the next target. Look at it, it just wants to go. Not my cup of tea. That is for sure. This gold trade was actually nice. I liked it. This was actually fine. This was a great one. I'm gonna leave it here for later analysis. Alright. I have to drink something. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. All right, I'm back. The XY retracing. Okay, let's check it. Dollar index. All right, look at that. Yeah, retracing. Seems like that. Okay, look at that. On crude oil, we could be seeing a possible reversal here. That is interesting. What is gold doing? No shift here. This is not a shift. At least not something I'm interested in, but I'll be out from this NQ trade real soon. It's gonna sweep the highs. Unfortunately. Doing it now. There you go. What? What just happened? I would be very, very surprised if this trade would just go back down after leaving my stop loss like that. What is going on? What is going on? Should be stopping me out. What is happening? Made a new high. I highly doubt that this is gonna go lower. This wants to take the previous high at 46. So okay. We have an OTE here on crude oil. Three micros. Maybe at 77.05. 3 micros. I should be out from this one in a jiffy. Yeah, I'm out. Okay. 77.05. I'm gonna put it 06. If it would get there. Currently taking out buy side liquidity 4 hour open with no lower wick. No lower wick? What the hell? Look at that. Are we going to have gold spiking higher, took out the highs, then the lows? Are we going to shift once more? Let me put the fib tool here once again. 77030405. Okay, 06 is fine. Let's put it to 07. Okay, gold is looking to go higher. Nothing is moving. What is going on? Nasdaq making new highs. What about ES? It's going higher. Okay. Nasdaq wants to go 7 points from up there. It should be taking out the 47. Okay. How did gold didn't shift? Crude oil actually did shift and presented a nice possible entry. Waiting for OTE levels to get tagged. Nasdaq going higher, so this is not a clean shift on gold. Gonna have to wait a little bit more. Okay, Nasdaq is now going lower. Not too much. I don't know if we're gonna have a proper entry. Okay. Okay, seems like everything has been turned off. Nothing is moving. What the hell? Look at that. Crude oil just started to rise and Nasdaq is at the same position. Nothing is moving, guys. What should we do? Okay. It's at 77.06 or oh 07. Where's my entry? 07. Am I in the trade? I think I'm in the trade. I got into the trade. I don't know how. On micros, I got into the trade. That's interesting. Well, I'm only in the trade with one contract. Okay. With 4. That's impossible. How am I in this contract? It didn't go down on the mini. Anyway. I don't know how this happened, but great anyway. All right. Should be taking out 47. I don't know what it's waiting for. Let's see. What is this doing right now? I'm just sitting here and I don't know what to do actually. I'm in this trade right now. Well, guys, it's definitely like somebody pulled the plug. We broke higher on the Nasdaq. No special targets here. I don't know what to aim for. I think the move is pretty much done on Nasdaq. Yeah, it's pretty much done on Nasdaq. Gold spiking higher. Would not be surprised if it would go higher than 2381 on futures. So taking out these previous swing highs. ES going higher. Interesting. Spiking higher, taking the lows, then going higher again. Oh man, I don't know. Nothing is moving. I mean, it's moving. Sorry, sorry, it's moving. But we're just through some significant highs and lows, and I don't know which direction to go on from here. Gold actually, well, it might go higher. Okay. Limit order down there, 72.1 on gold. Crude is still in there. Nasdaq is going higher. Nothing else. Nothing else is happening. Hey Daniel, how's it going? That's all-time high. Yeah, Marcus. Trading is good. Everything's fine. I'm holding a position in crude oil, only with micros. No, this is not crude oil. It's just a limit order. So here is one position on the micro. It got filled, but only with one micro, and hoping that crude will go higher. This is only based on the 5 minutes, so nothing special. And yeah, passed an evaluation account with Apex, so go check it out, 90% off. And that's it. That's it so far. I placed the limit order on gold, but seems like it's not retracing enough, so it's just going higher. And yeah, there's nothing else. How's it with you guys? Thank you. How is it with you guys? By the way, you can get a 250K account for $16 right now. Evaluation account. All right. So let's wait. Waking up? All right. Wakey, wakey. Oh man. Nothing is moving as it should. Okay, maybe the limit order is gonna get triggered. I'm not sure. Just maybe. Hey Alicia, how's it going? I almost got triggered into this gold trade, and now I'm still sitting in this crude oil. That's long. Seems like gold is ready to spike higher. The train has left the station. How do you deal with the trailing drawdown on Apex? Well, it's very simple actually. Go with smaller size, and that's it. And don't go for 5R or 10R trades or whatever. Go smaller size. So for example, on a 50k account, your stop loss should be around maybe $100 or $200, maybe $300, but that's it. So if you're going with 1R or 2R trades, 1-to-1 risk to reward or 1-to-2, you should be still fine. Even if you take partials or you move your stops, that's how simple. Just size down. On the evaluation account, you can do some crazy stuff, but you know, if you get to the funded, then use TOPSTEP is how I do it. Yeah, or use TOPSTEP. Or use my funded futures end of day trailing drawdown, or BULENOX option 2 accounts end of day trailing drawdown, which is $18 as well today upfront plus activation fee. But my funded futures expert account including activation fee is $156 and no consistency rule, no withdrawal cap. So count with the activation fee as well. And the sun is shining, which is great. I don't know why I did not get triggered into this gold trade yet. Crude oil is going up. Should be reaching my TP level. Or if not, then it is what it is. Just gonna put it to break even right there. Maybe lower. There. Okay, it's at break even now. BULENOX don't have trader weight. If you want to use trader weight just so you can trade through TradingView, I suggest don't do it. But if you like trader weight because of the platform, then yeah, sure. The platform, the trader weight or TS Trader or whatever it's called, it's actually user friendly. But the only down thing is BULENOX doesn't have access to trader weight yet. So TOPSTEP has access. You like the platform, all right. Then go with TOPSTEP or my funded futures. They both have access to trader weight. So you can get a 5% discount right now from my funded futures. And if you're brand new with my funded futures, you can get a 30% discount if you use my link and code, which means an expert account should be quote unquote only $115. How do you manage funded accounts across different prop firms? I sometimes, if I copy trade them, I use Quantower for copy trading. But I always trade with micros, so that's very important. I go small baby steps, like super small, slow steps. I'm building up the profit. So I have days when I make like only $50 or $70 profit. I'm gonna do the recap video on this weekend, maybe on Friday. Very small steps. And funded the your funded the TOPSTEP, but was also wanting to capitalize with these huge discounts, and I'm sure, definitely, absolutely. I mean, cheap upfront cost, but don't forget the activation fee as well. So you have to, you know, measure everything. Activation fee on a 50K account is $140 lifetime, or $85 per month. I always go with the lifetime because it's less stressful for me. So I don't have to calculate for any monthly payments. But yeah. I think I might just have to delete that limit order. Look at this. Crude oil might want to go down lower. So go small, trade micros. That's a good way to go. And if you're purchasing these evaluation accounts from any of these prop firms, also take into consideration the activation fee as well. I mean, I like Apex. I like all of them, which I promote. But calculate with activation fees too. We're stuck here. What is going on? Gold might be pushing higher without me. NQ is up there. Yeah, gold is pushing. Yeah, I'm deleting my limit order for now, I think, on gold. I just deleted my limit order on gold. I'm still sitting in crude oil. All right. Be back in a minute. All right, I'm here. Tom is taking an oil bath. What do you mean? I'm not taking. Yeah, I'm taking. Actually, I mean, yeah, crude oil. Yes, oil bath. I'm here. All right. Yes, I'm taking an oil bath. Yeah. I'm stuck in this crude oil trade. But look at gold. I thought that we're gonna retrace lower, but it's just not doing it. So gold will be pushing higher, I think so. Deep into oil. Yeah. Deep into oil. Yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be an interesting day. Hopefully My Funded Futures will give out the promo real soon. I'm very curious. The Silver Bullet Hour officially ended, everybody. I mean, sorry, the kill zone, not the Silver Bullet Hour, the kill zone. So I'm wondering what can we do after this. NQ is up there. ES is up there. Gold is spiking higher. Crude oil might want to take one more try to push it. Feels like gold might want to go to 81. Not sure though. I'm sorry. Sorry, just a quickie phone call. So the question is, are we gonna go for the highs here at I don't think so. Doesn't feel like it wants to go. NQ is making new highs. Crude oil might try to go higher as well. I would really like this one to go higher. Alright, I think, guys, there's nothing for me to do here. So I'm actually going to cut it because, you know, maybe the PM session will hold something, but what should I do, right? So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll be here tomorrow in the London session. Hope that this crude oil will reach the TP level. It's at break even. So thank you so much. Check out the discounts, 90% off. Apex, BULENOX, $16 for an evaluation account. Thank you for watching and for all the support. All right, Prasad, thank you, and everybody, Daniel, Alicia, and everybody else for being here with me. And London session tomorrow, guys. All right, thank you. See you tomorrow. Cheers, everyone.